Hi, I'm Shirley Liao. What really provides a boost to Facebook marketing is the possibility of viral marketing, which means people who are excited about what you have to offer talk to each other and get others involved. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, says that in the last 100 years, the way to advertise was to get into the mass media and push out your content. In the next 100 years, he says, information won't be just pushed out to people. It will be shared among the millions of connections people have. Advertising will change. You will need to get into these connections. Marketing on Facebook is a big topic, and we don't have the space here to cover the entire topic in great depth. If you want more details, check out a good book on Facebook marketing. Let's take a look. Signing up. The first step in working with Facebook is to sign up for your own account. To show that, go to www.facebook.com. As shown in figure. Signing up for Facebook. To sign up for an account, fill out the data in the box at right, and then click the Sign Up button. Facebook asks you all kinds of probing questions about your job, school, demographics, and so on. If you don't want to answer a question, it's notable that Facebook users have very little compunction about sharing very private data. After you are set up, you can log in using your email and password in the boxes as left in figure. Signing up for Facebook. Configuring your profile and home page. Login takes you to your home page. You can see mine in figure. My home page on Facebook. The home page displays much information, including the news feed. One of the most popular aspects of Facebook, the news feed lets you track what your friends are doing. Every time they do something, that news is posted to your news feed. This is the figure, my home page on Facebook. Your public page is your profile page, which you can see by clicking the profile link showing in figure, my home page on Facebook. Your profile page is visible to your friends, and you can see mine in figure, my profile page on Facebook. The mini feed is like new feed, except that it holds information about what you've been doing. The profile page also displays much of the information you get Facebook when you sign up. This is figure, my profile page on Facebook. Facebook is heavily friend-oriented, and you can message people asking if they will become your friend by clicking the Send Someone a Message link under their photo in their profile, not visible in my profile in the figure. My profile page on Facebook. Because I'm the one viewing it, you can organize your friends into friend list and message, email them all at once, which is great for marketers. Facebook marketing involves all kinds of ins and outs. For example, you can set your status message by clicking the "What are you doing right now?" link. Visible in figure, my profile page on Facebook. Your status message appears whenever your image is displayed in other people's pages, as in figure. My friends on Facebook and can be a quick way to advertise you are not spamming about it. Creating a friends list. You can have up to 1,500 friends in a list, which is good for getting the word out. To make a new friend list, click the friends link in your profile and click the Make a New List button at right in the Friends page. Then enter the name of the new list. The next step is to add the friends you want in the new list. Here you can type the names of the friends you want to add, or you can select multiple friends at once by using the Select Multiple Friends link. As you add new friends to the list, they appear on the page, as you see in the figure, My Friends on Facebook. Figure, My Friends on the Facebook. Now you can message everyone in a friend list by clicking the inbox link you see in the figure, My Friends on Facebook. Then clicking the Compose Message tab, as you see in figure, Messaging in Facebook. Messaging people on Facebook send email to their inbox. You can enter their name, a friend list to send your message to, as indicated by the promote you see in the figure, Messaging in Facebook. Facebook needs to get credit card information from you before you can run a poll. Each answer costs 0.25 and there's a $1 insert fee. To connect a credit card to Facebook, click the account link that appears at the top of all your Facebook pages and enter your credit card information. Interestingly, the account page often doesn't come up in Internet Explorer. It may for you, but I use Firefox to access my account information. Running a poll. One of the good things about Facebook is that you can ask users what they want. It is a marketer researcher's dream. To create a poll, go to the Facebook Business Solutions page, http://www.facebook.com/business. As shown in figure, the Facebook Business Solution page. This is figure, the Facebook Business Solution page. This is a page you should become familiar with if you want to marketing on Facebook. You can see links here to all the major marketing techniques on Facebook. Right now, we are interested in creating a poll, so click the Facebook polls link and click the Create a Facebook poll button in the page that appears. Opening the page you see in the figure, creating a Facebook poll. Polls employ multiple choice questions, so enter your question and answers. You can also select the demographic you want to poll, sex, age, location, and so on. When you are ready, click the Continue button. Facebook shows you detail of your poll. Click the Continue button. Facebook will bring you to the results page of your poll. You can keep refreshing the page to see the results displayed as bar graphics. You also get a breakdown by age, sex, and so forth. Great for marketing research. Working with groups. One of the ways that Facebook members congregate and so can roll around your brand is on Facebook groups. There are thousands of groups on all kinds of interests. You can see the I Love Opera. Doesn't everyone? Groups page in figure. The I Love Opera group page top half. Groups include all kinds of ways for members to communicate with each other, such as a discussion board, which appears in figure. The I Love Opera group page, bottom half for the Love Opera group. You can join a group or create your own group by clicking the groups link I left in any of your Facebook pages. Opening your groups page as shown in figure, a group page. You can browse through your existing groups by clicking the Browse Groups link. Search for a group by entering a search term in the search box, or create your own group by clicking the Create a New Group button, which opens the page you see in figure. Creating a group. Note the network box in figure. Creating a group. Facebook has set up hundreds of networks, and they are sort of like the tribe you belong to on Facebook. By default, you are added to your geographic areas network when you give your geographic data in creating your account. There are networks by geographic area by school, including high schools, and by employer. You can see friend pages of others in your network, as well as other data that is hidden from people not in the same network. Creating a group for your brand is easy. Just fill in the friend and click the Create Group button. You can see a new group that I create as a demo. Beach Bum Rentals in the figure, a new group. You can even create your own network on Facebook, which would be great for marketing purpose. If you could really do it, I follow the official procedures for creating a new network about 8 months ago, and never heard back from Facebook on it. I get the impression they create new networks only really. Creating a page. Profile pages and friends are okay for a small business, but what about larger business or rock stars? A big-time CEO might not want to be bothered with dozens of requests in his inbox to become his Facebook friend every day. I hear that Bill Gates used to get something like 700 such requests a day. If Facebook profiles and the friends are for individual people and very small business. What do larger business do? They create a Facebook page. Pages are designed for business and Star's average users cannot become a friend of a page. They become a fan instead. Fans can follow along with what's happening and they can post to a page's discussion board if you allow it, but not more than that. They don't have the same privilege as friends to message you, for example. However, as a page owner, you can message your fans on Message. To get started with pages, go to http://www.facebook.com pages. As you see in the figure, looking at Facebook pages. Here you can search for pages by entering search terms and can browse pages by type. For an example of a page, take a look at the Royal Opera House page shown in figure. The Royal Opera House page want to become a fan of the Royal Opera House. Just click the Become a Fan link you see at Opera, which is present on all pages that allow fans. Here's an interesting note that shows Facebook anti-spam status. People used to be able to access network pages for their network, sort of like a group page for their network. Spammers took advantage of network pages to spam them outrageously with posts and discussion board entries, with the result that Facebook just recently removed all network pages. Users can also share their favorite pages with their friends and viral marketing. Okay, that's how pages look and work in overview. How can you create a page for your own business? To create a new Facebook page, you can go to http://www.facebook.com pages, create PHP, or simply click the Create a Page for Your Business link at the bottom of any existing Facebook page, such as the Royal Opera House page. Doing so brings you to the creation page you see in figure, creating a Facebook page. Enter the information to create your new page. Click the Create Page button and follow the directions. Among other things, you'll specify the administrators you want for the page, who are the people allowed to make changes to the page. If you are the creator or an administrator of a page, you'll see an edit link, which regular user won't see next to all sections of the page. And that's how to create your own Facebook page. For example, you can see a demonstration Facebook page I made for Meadow Ridge townhouses in figure, a new Facebook page. Creating an AD. As with many other sites, you can advertise on Facebook with clickable ads that display text and graphics. You can see an example AD in figure. My home page on Facebook with the text Speed Up or PC. Ads like that one can appear in a page, or so-called social ads can appear embedded in someone's newsfeed, where they get a lot of more attention. If Facebook is able to match your social ads keywords with what's going on in someone's newsfeed, it will display your ad right in the newsfeed, along with news items about the user's friends. Starting an ad is simple, and Facebook is pushing them, so you can find links to the process all over the place. The most prominent such link is the advertising link at the bottom of every login Facebook page. That is every Facebook page that you browse after you have logged in. Clicking that the link displays the page you see shown in figure, the Facebook ads page. This is the Facebook ad page. http://www.facebook.com ads. You see in the figure the Facebook ad page, and it pushes social ads and Facebook pages. To create a new ad, click either the Get Started button or the Created Social ad link at the bottom of the page. Not visible in figure. The Facebook ads page, which takes you to the page shown in figure, Getting Started. If you are advertising a landing page, enter the URL and click Continue. Bring up the page you see in the figure, choosing an audience. Fill in the information request in the second page and click Continue. Bring up the third page, shown in figure, creating the ad. Enter the text and upload images in this page, and then click Continue. Bring up the budget page you see in figure, setting the budget. Fill in your price information. Review your ad and your payment information in the next page, and click Place Order to start your ad. Creating an ad like this adds an ad link to your left navigation menu of links, or an ad and pages link if you already have Facebook pages. Clicking that link opens your ad campaign summary, which you can see in figure. Monitoring an ad for a sample ad for a middle range townhouse here. You can see all the standard data that you saw on Yahoo or Google, the number of clicks you have received, the number of views, the click-through ratio, and so on. You can also pause your campaign by selecting Post from the drop-down list at top, and know that if Facebook thinks you are not spending enough on your ad, you'll see a red and pink box urging you to spend more on this page. One of the good things about Facebook ads is that you can target specific demographic by age, gender, location, and so on. And that can be great, but if you are looking for people over the age of 30, they have few and far between on Facebook. Using Facebook applications, one of the most popular aspects of Facebook and one of the best for marketers is Facebook application. Applications are embeddable into user profile page and run there in their own session. For example, you could have an application that lets you display your favorite videos or music, play games, draw on people's pages, and so on. Some companies have commissioned their own games, which became very popular, spreading the word about those companies in a dynamic way. You can see a few representative applications in a Facebook profile in figure. Facebook applications. The Facebook Top Friends and the Snowboard Challenge sessions are all applications. Users can browse the applications that are available by clicking the application link at the top of their navigation menu on the left in any login page, then choosing the Browse More application link. Opening the application directory you see in figure, browsing applications. Click the name if any application to see the applications page, and then add the application to your profile with the Add Application link in that page. Unless you are a programmer, I don't recommend creating your application from scratch. I've discussed the process and created Facebook applications in other books, and it takes some effort. On the other hand, one of the ways that application developers can make money is to allow their applications to display ads. And here are a few networks that will let you advise in many Facebook applications. For example, social media, www.socialmedia.com. RockYou, www.rockyou.com. If nothing will do but creating your own Facebook application, other companies will develop Facebook applications from scratch, and usually prices are quite reasonable. Art and Logic, www.artlogic.com. Notice Technologies, www.noticetechnologies.com. www.invokemedia.com, Facebook and social network application developers. Pronounces Group, www.pronouncegroup.com, category Facebook service. Note, however, that tens of thousands of Facebook applications are out there, all jostling for space. To get an appreciable number of users, yours have to be something special. But if yours is a hit, there's nothing like it as far as marketing on Facebook goes. And that's it for our overview of Facebook marketing. As I said at the beginning of the chapter, we don't have the space here to go into great depths. And we haven't even touched on some topics like Facebook events, tied to a specific data and a place you can real people run. Facebook became a controversial program to let you track your friends' actions in your news feed on sites that are off Facebook, such as Amazon or other commercial sites, including yours, and the Facebook Marketplace, something like Craigslist for Facebook users.